Hello everyone, welcome back to your class 1 science class. Today also we start the new chapter, We Need Water. So that about water you know something, right? That why we need water. So water is essential for us, and you know water is the basic needs of living beings, because all living beings need water to live. All living beings need water to live, and that's why water is our basic needs and we cannot live without water. So we also use the water in different activities in our daily life, and you know about this that we drink water. That's very essential actually. So we drink water, that is first and important essential things that the needs of water, right? So that's why we can call that water is essential for us, not for only human beings, for animals, for plants. They also need water, and you know they are also living beings, because plants can, you know about the plants cannot move, but they grow, they can take breath. They those plants from the seeds plants grow. So those things also, for those things, and you know the plants also own their cook their own food. So that's why also they need water. And those animals, those pet animals, wild animals, they also need water to live. So that's why water is essential for all living beings, and we use water for different activities. So first one important activity is drink water. We drink water, and also we wash our clothes by water, we wash our plates, our utensils, and many other things. We bath with water, and we cook our food with water also. We when the fire began, that time water putting out this fire, we need water. So we need water for many things, and that's why water is essential. So here you can see some pictures already given here, and there is the help box. You can see there is a help box. There are some options or some words, and with the help of those words and the match with those picture, you have to put those words in these blanks with the matching with the picture. So look at the pictures already given here, given below, and write the uses of water. So choose the words from the help box given below. So first we can see a boy is taking water. He is drinking, right? So with the help box we have to choose that what is the correct words. We can put it. We can put the blanks in the blanks. So here you can see the first is drinking. So the boy is drinking water. So we can write here. First one is drinking. First picture can show that the boy is drinking water. And the next is one woman is cooking something with help of water. So we can write here cooking. We can write the two is cooking, because we can see a woman is cooking something. Third is a boy is bathing under the shower. So that is bathing by water, obviously. So that is bathing. Question 3, the picture 3 is we noted by bathing. And the 4, a woman is washing clothes in the washing machine. So that is washing clothes. Washing clothes in the washing machine. Next, picture 5, you can see also a woman is washes dishes, plates. So woman is washing dishes, plates, and we called them together utensils, right? Those dishes, plates where we by which things we eat food, we eat our meal. So those plates, dishes, glass, so those all things are called together utensils. And woman is cleaning utensils. And you have to remember its spellings. That's new word for you, that UTENSIL, utensil. And if there are a lot of plates, lot of glass, so we call that's number than 1, so that's we call the utensils, plural form, right? So UTENSILS, utensils. This woman is cleaning utensils. And the next we can see a man is put out fire by water, and he has a tube, a water pipe in his hand. So a man is putting out water. That's last picture is putting out fire by water. Putting out fire by water. So here is the 6th picture and their description here, and you can copy it in this under the picture. You can write those things. I have to write those correct words also by the help box. So today we complete this page number 49, and as we start today the we need of water, that why we need water, and that is very essential for us, and we use water in different activities for our lifestyle. So next day we will start the next page, and that why we need water, what's the source of the main water, and those say how we have to save the water also. Okay, so today that's all, and have a nice day everyone. Read the chapter very attentively and have a nice day.